everyone, this is Melissa from Buckeye Girls Lifestyle. This is the monthly Declutter and Minimalist channel. I told Joy, make sure to check out Joy from Organizing with Joy and her channel in my description box and all the amazing creators in this playlist. I told Joy I had one box. Well, my one box overflowed. So I got two boxes and some random items. I've been cleaning and trying to deep clean and declutter my laundry room because it has got so bad I couldn't walk through. Yeah, it could have been on that show Hoarders. But anyway, here's what we got. Start out a reusable bag. I got this, it was for the grill. We got it probably 7 years ago, never used it. Tablecloth. We got these jars because I thought I'd put my spices in it and be organized, and they look so pretty. I have way too many and too big, use too much spice for these, so we'll let somebody else's look pretty. Okay. A rug. And this is a organized tote. And it doesn't hardly fit anything. It's really tiny, so I'm going to let that go. While I'm sitting here, I'm also going to get rid of this. It's really cute, but we haven't found a place for it, and I asked my husband if he wanted it in his bathroom, and he never answered me. So the answer is no, and I'm going to get rid of it. Okay, here's the elusive container I tried to put in my cabinet on my one video, and it wouldn't go, so we're decluttering. Here's another one of those. Like I said, 6 years ago we got this set and never used it. My husband said, oh, keep it, we'll use it. Shoes that didn't fit, and I didn't send them back. We have 3 pairs of them. Coffee mugs that I don't have room for them in my cabinet. A pitcher, because I have 2 and I don't need 3. A mixer. Can opener. It doesn't have the little hook thing that I like that opens your canning jars. So they're gonna go. I ordered these and I thought they'd be bigger to organize my cabinets, and they're extremely tiny and they wouldn't work. So those are gonna go. The pop thing that would be in my take up space in our refrigerator and never get filled. Another pair of shoes. And a scrunchie. A company sent me a complimentary scrunchie. As you know, I use a lot of scrunchies. That would really come in handy, girls. If you know, you know. So that is what we have. And then I'm going to take you on a field trip because we decluttered a bunch of stuff from the laundry room. I'm going to get rid of the laundry sorter. We never used it, only put things on top of it to make it look like a mess. So that's going to go. Okay, I'm going to get rid of the mop and the bucket and those 2 rugs and this dehydrator, because I haven't used a dehydrator in over 4 years. I have another mop and bucket that I like better. That one I just didn't like, even though it's the newer version.